Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be talking about the bench grinder. Not very many people think of a bench grinder as and if you utilize a lathe in your wood shop, there are many tools that if you sharpen them yourself, you're going to save lots of money. If you shop around, you can really find a good grinder for about $50.